Poverty Point Customs here. It's my 24 horsepower yard machines, tractor by MTD. Had it for probably 10 years or more, and I just noticed last time I mowed, the blade started hitting the bottom of the deck, and as you can see, the spindle is missing 2 bolts on my center blade. So what I have to do is pop off the deck, clip right there on both sides of the back of the deck, and then it unclips right there. As you can see, it's mowed a couple times this year. It's due for a good cleaning again. So next step, what I'm going to do is pop off the mower deck, which is a 50-inch mower deck, and do some repairs on that. Hopefully I got some nuts and bolts kicking around, so I can get that sorted out, and then I'll get the belts all routed properly again. So I got the mower deck disconnected and pulled out from underneath the tractor. So next step, what I have to do is get 2 nuts and bolts for the spindle to reattach that. Looks like the bolts just came loose over the years. And also what I have to do is check underneath and check the blade, because how I noticed that it had come unmounted is I could hear the blade smashing underneath. So this here was up on an angle and causing the blade to hit the underside of the deck. I got the spindle fixed. As you can see, I got some new bolts right there and on the other side, and they're cinched down nice and tight. I just mowed 2 lawns, so I just mowed about 2 acres with it, and no issues. I just gave it a quick rinse off there. So knock on wood, that holds up for the rest of the season. I'll keep an eye on them, make sure they don't cinch off. Just a little view of the old beast there. When you had seen it in the last clip there, it was pretty dirty. I had mowed a couple yards a few times and put it in the barn, and so it really needed a good clean in there now. So again, that's all fixed, and as you can see, I got a little hitch on it. I use that all the time. Should mention too, the springtime I change oil and filter and greased up all the fittings there, and there's one on the other side of the tire there. It's pretty greasy right now. Okay, just a little short video on just always check and make sure all your nuts and bolts are nice and tight on the pulleys there. That's an aftermarket one right there that came loose on. The factory ones, they actually don't take a nut and bolt. They just take a bolt, goes up from underneath, and they always stay tight. With these ones,